Hey, what's up YouTube? This is RManFJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now this case is a case that holds the S Pen and it does have a kickstand. It's a hard shell, so it's going to fit on both ends of the case. I've seen a couple of other cases that look similar to this. Spigen has one as well. This one is made by SailorTech. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's the SailorTech Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 back cover phone case with S Pen holder and kickstand. This is the black one. All right, here's some pictures right here. See right there with the S Pen in it, you got a kickstand on the back, and that's how it looks right there when it's standing up in the kickstand. You can get them in different colors. You get them in black, lich dark, lich green, mint, orange, multi-card. So they got a number of different cases here in different colors, different types as well. So $21.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the case. Pretty simple wrapper. It's kind of cheap, and that may be indicative of the case. But here's the case. Here's the back right here. It's hard plastic, polycarbonate, I guess. You got a kickstand. Kickstand is not too bad. Not the best, but it's not too bad. And it's got a felt cover inside right there, okay? And this is the outer portion right here. Now it didn't come with any tape, but I do have some tape I can put on. We'll see how that goes. And this is where the S Pen goes right here in this slot right here. This is all plastic, hard plastic, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see how this fits. Okay, we got the Galaxy Z Fold 3 right here. Let's go ahead and put this back piece on first. I'll put that on first. So that snaps on pretty good, and it doesn't move around or anything. So you got the kickstand on that right there. Now let's put the front piece on right here. This goes like that. So it's got kind of a tight fit there. All right. So that slid on pretty easily there. Now the one thing I noticed already is it's hard to get to the fingerprint scanner because it's recessed in there pretty good. So the volume button in the fingerprint scanner is going to be hard to reach. I'm pressing right now and I still can't get it. All right, I gotta like stick my hand in there like that. So let's see. Let me lock it again, and let's see what happens. Yeah, so you can get it, but it's recessed pretty well in there. So bottom down rocker, so I can get to that. That works all right. So that's one thing I was concerned about. This does protrude a little bit more than this right here, but you can get to it. Now you got a little raised area right here around the top, so that's going to protect the screen. And you got your opening for your charging port, your speaker, and the mic and the speaker right here. And you got a speaker up top, the mic openings right there. All that seems to line up pretty well. Camera is well protected. It's going to be covered there. You got a kickstand right here. All right. Now let's see how this kickstand works. Let's put this up. All right, so it stands like that. Now the kickstand kind of goes back pretty far. You can see that right there. It's extended back pretty far right there. Kind of hyper extended. And it doesn't do multiple position, although I put it there and it stayed there. So it will stay there. Let's see what happens when we put it this way. So it falls over there. So this one side you can use this kickstand on. Okay, not the best kickstand I've seen, but it'll do. It's not the worst either. All right, you got a little pattern on the back right here. You can see that you got the back is raised up because you got feet on the corners there, so that's pretty cool. So the camera's even more protection there. Now let's test out the S Pen and see how that fits inside. Okay, here's the S Pen. Now when I look at the pictures have it sitting up this way, and actually this it goes in flat like that. All right, so it's not the easiest pen to put in. All right, so it goes in flat. This flat side needs to be either in the front or the back. All right, so you can't put it in the other way. And so when you got the pen in, you can hold it Now that makes it more difficult to get to the power button with the pin in, even more difficult. So this is not going to work. I wouldn't buy this case because you cannot get to that volume button and the power button with this S Pen inside here. Okay, you got to open it up to do that. It's really difficult with the S Pen in. You can't do that. Maybe all of them do that. I don't know, but I don't particularly like that. All right, but that's what it is. You pull out the S Pen, you can write, whatever. Okay. But I don't like the way this fits with the S Pen inside. You can't get to the buttons when you do that. And it's hard to put in and out because you can only go on one side. So that's another reason why I don't like this case. All right. So this is not one I would recommend. Okay. You know, it's not the worst case I've seen, but you can't get it up. You can't get to the power button and the volume up and down button with the pin inside. So this is not going to work for you. Okay. Let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so let's check out the wireless charger. So it does pick up wireless charge, no problem there. Let's stand it up and see if it stands up. All right. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge there as well. And let's put it on the back and see what happens there. So wireless charge picks up in all positions. I mean, if you can get past the annoyance of not being able to get to this power button with this pin inside, you know, it's not a bad case. And it doesn't slide around too much. It did slide a little bit thin when I opened it up, so I saw that. You might need some tape on this. But otherwise, again, for me, I wouldn't recommend it, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the SailorTech S Pen case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Comes with a kickstand as well. Case has some flaws. I can't recommend it because you can't get to that power button with the S Pen inside the case and holder, okay? So I don't like that. Maybe all of them do that, but if that's the case, I probably wouldn't buy one of these cases. Just the one I've tried that's a hard plastic and has that S Pen on the side like that, all right? So I just want to make sure I shared that with you guys so you can make a decision on whether you want to purchase this case or not, all right? Now, if you have any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Oh.